Oh, hey guys, it's your math teacher coming at you. It's Friday. I'm going to teach you how to use desmos.com to, man, my hair looks jacked up today, to graph some lines. All right, so the address we're going to go to is desmos.com, desmos.com. I'm going to put a link in the in Google Classroom for you to get to this. But yeah, just go right here, and then you can hit graphing calculator. And point of order, there's also a scientific calculator that's really good, that's free online. You go here, and yeah, you can just put stuff in there. These apps are both free on your phone for iPhone and Google or Android Play or whatever. So this is your graphing field right here. What I like to do, kind of first thing, I like to go to the little wrench here, change the settings. I take off minor grid lines, and then I change the step to 1 so you can actually see individual numbers, right? That way you can see my face. It's so pretty. Okay. Okay. So if we have something like, I want to graph a line, right? So I'll go right here and I'll say y equals, and then whatever. I'm just going to throw in a linear equation right here, right? 1/2, and I use the slash to do that. And then I'll push over 1. Then I put x, because if I don't do that and I stay kind of underneath the fraction, then it gives me that weird thing right there. 1/2x is different than 1/2 x, okay? That puts my line right there. And then I can put up my y-intercept, and I can really do anything, right? I can like change it to a negative right there. I can change this to a negative so it goes down, like all sorts of things, right? Super easy to graph stuff, right? Now I'm going to throw another equation in here, and we'll do a positive. We'll just do 3/2 x plus 2. And then we can see where they cross, right? I can see that they cross right here at that -2.5, -1.75. So very easy to solve systems of equations when you have like that. When you have like this, and again, you can manipulate all these values to whatever you want, right? If I change this to 5/2, right? They cross at a different point. I can I can make parallel lines, right? Okay, I could have equation or system of equations that have no solution like this. I can do the same line, right? And we can actually manipulate it a little bit right here, right? Because I can go in here, I can go click right here. I can change the color of all these lines. I can change the what is this? I don't know what that is. Yeah, I can change the weight, so I can actually make one bigger, right? And then I can go. That's my orange one right there, and then I can go right here and I can change the style of it, right? Like that. So I can see that I actually have 2 separate lines. If you guys can zoom in on that, right? Okay, I can see, right, that I have those 2 lines, one in blue with a dot, like that. So pretty easy. Let's see. Okay, pretty easy to kind of manipulate things around here. Again, you can change your contrast. You can change it so like things are bigger. You can change it in dark mode or whatever. So yeah, super easy graphing tool to use and kind of solve systems of equations or just graph lines and see what like y-intercepts are, like that. Okay, yeah, there's you go. A little tutorial on desmos.com.